No, sir.
The
No, sir.
only possibility is that x and y has to be in the third quadrant, because only in the third quadrant you will get tan x as positive and cos y as negative. Okay, in the second quadrant you will not get that. So that is something that we need to correct here, that they are both in the third quadrant. Now it will be easier for us perhaps to choose the sign. Okay, so here before going to tan, I have got sin y is equal to plus or minus. So choosing what sign? In the second quadrant, sign is positive, right? So choosing positive sign, sin y is equal to plus 4 by 5. Since y is in the um, oh in third quadrant, okay, then we choose the negative sign because sign is negative in the third quadrant. Therefore, you will write choosing negative sign in the third quadrant. Okay, we've got the value of sin y and cos y. Next, we need sin x and cos x. So we start with tan x. Tan x is 12 by 5. So that means sin x by 12 is equal to cos x by 5 is equal to plus or minus 1 by root over of 12 square plus 5 square. That means sin x by 12 is equal to cos x by 5 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 13. That means sin x we get as 12 by 13. So which sign to choose? X is in the third quadrant. We choose the negative sign. Cos x is also minus 5 by 13. Right? Since x and y are both in the third quadrant. Hence, what is sin x plus y? Put the values. Sin x cos y. Sin x, how much have we got? Minus 12 by 13. Cos y. How much was cos y? Cos y was given to you. Minus 3 by 5. Plus cos x. Cos x, how much have we got here? Minus 5 by 13. Sin, next is sin y. And sin y, how much have we found out? Sin y we have found out to be minus 4 by 5. So that's it. That is the value of sin x plus y. You'll get this as 36 by 65 plus 20 by 65, which is 56 by 65. And that's your answer for the first one. So you need to be a little careful with the quadrants. Okay. Next question. What do you have to find out for the next question? Cos y by 2. But in order to find out cos y by 2, you need to determine which quadrant is in y by 2, right? So we have, because y is in what quadrant? It is in the third quadrant. That means y must lie between 180 degrees and 270 degrees. Am I right? Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
That means y by
Yes.
2 must lie between these two values. That means y by 2 must lie between 90 and 135 degree. That means which quadrant is y by 2 in? Can you tell me the quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant. So y by 2 is in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, what is cos positive or negative?
Negative.
Cos is negative in the second quadrant. So we need to find out cos y by 2. Do we know cos y? Yes, we know cos y. So we are going to use the multiple angle formula here. 2 cos square y by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos y. From this we can find out cos y by 2. Okay, so that let's find out 1 plus cos y. Cos y is given above to be minus 3 by 5. So this is 1 minus 3 by 5. So this is 2 by 5. That means cos square y by 2 will be how much? Divide both sides by 2. You'll get this as 1 by 5, right? So that means cos y by 2 will be equal to square root of 1 by 5. So which sign should I take? Which sign should I take? Positive or negative sign? Y by 2 is in the second quadrant. Cos is negative in the second quadrant. We choose the negative sign, right? So that means cos y by 2 is equal to, you can write here, since y is in the second quadrant. So cos y by 2 is minus 1 by root 5. That's your answer. Okay. Can move on to the next one then. Okay. Next problem is number 10. Now in your test, what I saw was, let me just mention this, start this. Given here is sine square beta is equal to sine alpha cos alpha. This is what is given to you. Okay. You need to you need to prove that cos 2 beta is equal to 2 cos square pi by 4 plus alpha. Okay. So because you need to find out cos 2 beta, what is the relation between cos 2a and sine a? Cos 2 beta, what is this multiple angle formula? 1 minus 2 sine square beta, right? You know this from multiple angle. What is the value of sine square beta here? Sine alpha cos alpha, right? As given above, right? And what is 2 sine alpha cos alpha? Multiple angle formula, it is sine 2 alpha. You agree? Now what you see here is that you have a cos on the right hand side, but you are getting a sine 2 alpha. So let's convert this to cos. How do you convert this to cos? Again, associated angle. How do you convert sine to cos?
Sir, that formula, sir, root under 1 minus cos
No,
squared
no.
theta.
A negative unassociated angle formula. Sine 2 alpha is the same as minus of cos 1 into pi by 2. Odd multiple in the second quadrant plus 2 alpha. Now check. This is a very essential step. Check whether you understood. Can I write sine 2 alpha in this manner? This is an odd multiple. That is why cos can change to sine. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Because I want a cos, let me explain once again. I want to change this sign to cos, right? But I see because I see a cos here. So what I do here is I change this sign to cos. But because I have a sign here, I write an odd multiple of pi by 2, 1. And because this angle, because I'm giving an odd multiple, it will change to sine. And because sine changes to cos, I'll give this in the second quadrant, right? With a negative sign. Because cos here, if you see, only this value, if you see, I've given bracket just to make you understand. Only this value, if you see, this is negative, right? So negative and negative will become sine 2 alpha. Okay, this is the most important step in this. So negative sign I have taken because this is cos and this angle is in the second quadrant. Therefore, this negative sign and the negative sign that I'm going to get here will make it positive. So I'll get back sine 2 alpha. Okay, now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the main step here. Once you get this step, now everything is easy. So this becomes 1 plus cos pi by 2 plus 2 alpha. And from multiple angle formula, if you remember 1 plus cos 2a, what is the formula for 1 plus cos 2a? 2 cos square a. right? If you see this is 1 plus, this can be written as 1 plus cos twice of pi by 4 plus alpha, right? Now if you see this is of this form 1 plus cos 2a, which can now be written as 2 cos square pi by 4 plus alpha, and which is equal to your right hand side. Oh, that is proved. Now we have not taken left hand side, so no point writing right hand side. So this is proved. Clear? Everything is about formulas. You don't remember the formulas, you will not understand anything. Perhaps we can finish another one very quickly. It's an easy one also. Number 11. Calculate without using tables. You need to find out the value of tan 20 degree, tan 40 degree, tan 80 degree. Okay. For this, what you do is you write 40 as a standard angle. What is the standard angle? 60 degree minus 20 degree. And you write tan 80 as 60 degree standard angle plus 20 degrees. So now this is tan 20 degrees, and you can write this as, from compound angle formula, you can write this as tan 60 minus tan 20 divided by 1 plus tan 60 into tan 20. And here compound angle formula again, tan 60 degree plus tan 20 degree divided by 1 minus tan 60 degree tan 20 degree. So this is tan 20 degree. Tan 60 value is √3 minus tan 20 degree divided by 1 plus √3 tan 20 degree. And this is √3 plus tan 20 degree divided by 1 minus √3 tan 20 degree. Now if you see, these two numerators are of a plus b into a minus b form. So what will it be? A square minus b square, right? Denominator also, if you see, this is a plus b into a minus b form, right? So this is
Yes,
tan
sir.
20 degree into 3 minus tan square 20 degree divided by 1 minus 3 tan square 20 degree, right? Now you multiply tan 20 with the numerator to get 3 tan 20 degree minus tan cube 20 degree divided by 1 minus 3 tan square 20 degree. Now if you remember the triple angle formula for tan 3 theta, 3 into 20 degree, which is equal to tan 60 degree, which is equal to √3. Remember, how are we getting from this to this? This is the formula that we are using. Tan 3a is 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. If you see, a here is 20. That is why 3 into 20. Okay. So I'll stop here then.